The first person in Hong Kong to be tried under its national security law has been found guilty of secession and terrorism. The trial was heard without a jury and was decided by 3 judges, handpicked by leader Carrie Lam to try national security crimes. Roland Lim with this report.
Former restaurant worker Tong Ying-kit was arrested on July 1st last year, hours after the national security law came into effect, for driving his motorbike into a group of police officers in Wan Chai while flying a black and white protest flag that read "Liberate Hong Kong, Revolution of Our Times." The 3-panel security judges, handpicked to handle such cases, ruled that Tong's acts were aimed at intimidating the public in order to pursue a political agenda. Much of the 15-day trial was focused on the meaning of the Liberate slogan, and defense experts argued that it could mean different things to different people. But the judges decided that the slogan was capable of carrying the meaning of separating from the Hong Kong SAR government from the mainland, and was capable of inciting others to commit secession. Tong's defense counsel had tried to argue that it was an officer that made him lose control and crash his motorbike, and that he had only displayed one of the more favoured slogans of the anti-government protests of 2019. The test case now sets limits on free speech in Hong Kong and is also seen as a departure from common law traditions. Tong was denied bail and a trial by jury. Some law scholars and activists are concerned that a guilty verdict will lead to the conviction of many more government opponents. The guilty verdict for secession is punishable by several years to life in prison, while the alternative charge of dangerous driving up to 7 years in prison. Now, currently, there are 3 out of 65 charged with secession under national security law offences awaiting trial, with at least 1 having used the slogan. Roland Lim, CNA, Hong Kong.